Hey, my YouTube family, welcome back to Tam Tam Kitchen. It's delish. So today, your girl Tam Tam is gonna make some jerk chicken kebab on my smoker, and I'm gonna be making some mango salad with it for you. And let's go ahead and just whip this up. So I've got my blender here. I'm gonna blend up all my seasoning. I've got scallion, onion, and 2 cloves of garlic, and I am just gonna chop them because I will be blending everything up like so. And I'm gonna just put the 2 garlics in there. Let's put that over there. So I'm just putting in my scallion like so, and I've got a chili pepper here. This is not scotch bonnet pepper, but I'm gonna use half of it. So I'm gonna put some rapeseed oil, just a little bit to keep it stick together, and I will be adding just a little bit of water to blend up the green seasoning. So guys, I am now going to blend that's blended out the green seasoning. So now we are going to add our jerk seasoning. So I'm adding in my jerk seasoning. So this jerk seasoning, it's got everything in there. It's got pimento, everything is in this jerk seasoning. I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. Let me put some more jerk seasoning because I want this to be well seasoning, well seasoned. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of rapeseed oil, and we are going to blend this up. So I'm gonna put my blender lid on, and I'm gonna blend. Jerk chicken season is well blended, and I am going to cut the chicken. I did wash my chicken, so make sure you wash your chicken with some lemon, lime, or vinegar. Make sure you wash your chicken, yeah? So now I'm just gonna cut my chicken breast into cubes or whichever shape you like, yeah? So just cut your chicken. Let me show you guys. Yeah. So cut your chicken breast like so, and we are just gonna cut them like in cubes so we can put it on the skewers. Because remember, we're making jerk chicken kebab. Jerk chicken breast kebab. So cut your chicken breast like so. Yeah. I'm gonna cut the other one. So I'm using 4 chicken breasts for this recipe. You can use however much chicken breast you would like. It depends on how many people you are cooking for. Yeah. And then we're gonna season this chicken breast so it can marinate for about 2 hours, or you can do it overnight. It all depending on the time that you have. So if you do this overnight, that would be great because it would get more of the seasoning in. But if you do it for 2 hours as well, it will be the same. Okay guys, so that's the chicken breast, chop up in cubes. And remember, I washed this already, so I am now going to put my jerk chicken seasoning on. So now we are gonna just pour our jerk chicken seasoning on. Look at that, guys. Ooh, look at that. That looks so good. Just make sure you get all that seasoning out of your blender. Get as much seasoning out of the blender as you possibly can, because you don't want to waste it. So guys, now you're gonna incorporate everything. You can use your hands. My hands are washed, or you can use a spoon or whatever it may be. But guys, jerk chicken have a bit of pepper in there, so you can wear gloves. I don't like using gloves because glove is not really clean. So I'm gonna use my hands that I washed, and I'm just gonna incorporate everything. And then after, I will wash my hands again. Okay, so incorporate all your seasoning like so. That's all you have to do, guys. Just make sure you rub it in, rub that seasoning in. Oh, that's a fly. You know, you're outside, you're gonna see all kind of things, you're not sure. That's your jerk chicken breast seasoning, and we are going to leave this to marinate for about 2 hours. Yeah. So, guys, look at that. That is how your chicken breast should look. So, guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my mango salad to put on my jerk chicken breast kebab. When we're eating it, we're gonna put this mango salad on it so we can enjoy. So I've got some bell peppers, some coriander, parsley, red onion, and I've got my mango over there, and I've got some lemon. I'm gonna make a little bit of lemon sauce with honey, vinegar. I'll show you when I'm making it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna chop my bell peppers and my parsley, everything. I'm just gonna chop them up, and let me just go ahead and show you. So you need to chop your bell peppers like so, and you just do it in cubes. This is for my jerk chicken kebab. It's just like that. Voila, that's finished. And let me just put this here. I wash all of my vegetables, guys, just to make it quick. You know that you should always wash your vegetables and stuff when you cook. So I'm just gonna put this bell pepper that I chop in cubes to put on my skewers when I'm gonna put my jerk chicken breast kebab. So I'm just gonna put this aside. That's for my chicken. So now I am gonna do the salad, and basically I'm just gonna show you how to do this very small. So guys, what all you need to do for this salad is just chop your bell peppers very tiny, very tiny, and your onions and also your parsley. So I'm just gonna chop them small. So guys, this is what I'm gonna do with all my bell peppers, and I'm gonna show you when I finish chopping my bell peppers. So guys, can you see that? That's how your bell peppers should look when you finish chopping them up. So guys, now we are going to put our bell peppers in our bowl. Yeah, so just put your bell peppers in the bowl when you finish chopping them very small. Yeah. So now I am gonna chop my onion. So everything is already washed. So cut your onion like so, and we're gonna mince them as we did with the bell pepper. Yeah. So make sure that you do cut these very tiny. Chop your red onion like so, and get that minced up. Onion is very strong, you know, it's a very potent thing. So I don't want it to overpower my mango salad. So that's why I'm using half of it. And I'm just gonna mince the rest of it. It does take a little time, but it will worth it in at the end. It will be worth it in the end when you do it. Okay. I am gonna transfer it to this bowl. So just put your red onions on top of your bell pepper like so. Yeah, look at that. Wow, that just looks so colorful and vibrant and nice. Now we are gonna mince the parsley and the coriander. Okay, so make sure you mince up your parsley and coriander together. You can do it together. You don't have to do them separate. Just do it together to make it quicker and much easier. So I'm just chopping in my parsley and coriander together. Yeah, so just mince them. And guys, if you don't like vegetables, you can always mince them like this and put it in your food to get your vitamin and your nutrition up, you know. Because when you do this and you eat, you don't even taste the vegetables. You really don't. You can do it with whatever vegetables that you don't like and you know that it's beneficial for your health. Just mince them small like this, and then when you're eating your food you can add it to it, and that's how you get all your nutrition in. Yeah, so now I'm gonna add it to my bowl. So just add your parsley and coriander straight into your bowl like so. Now we are going to cut the mango. So just cut your mango like so, and I'm gonna cut another bit of it. Just leave it there, and I'm just gonna cut it like so, cut it like so, and like so, like so, and like so, like so, and you do it that way. So guys, just basically small chunks like so, like so, and like so, and we're gonna do this. Can you see that? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut them off in here. Just cut it off in here like so. You want the mango to be a bit bigger because that's what you want, the flavor from the mango. All right, look at that. That just look so good. That just looks so good. Yeah, so that's the salad finished cutting. So guys, now I am going to make a dressing for the salad. I'm going to make the dressing for the salad. So I'm using lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Let me get the seeds out. Make sure you get your seeds out, your lemon. And I'm just going to squeeze it in this bowl. Just squeeze your lemon juice in the bowl. And do your lemon first, guys, so that like you can see some seeds are falling in there. You can always use a spoon to take it out, yeah? Okay, so that's your lemon squeeze. And I'm gonna, let me take out the two seeds that are in here. Yeah, and I'm gonna use some olive oil. Just drizzle some olive oil in there. About 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna be using some red wine vinegar. Just a little bit. About 1 tablespoon as well. And I'm gonna be using some honey. I'm gonna use one tablespoon of honey. Let me use this fork here to scrape it off. Cover this. And I'm gonna use some Himalayan salt. Just a pinch. Yeah, that's good enough. Just a pinch of salt, and then you're just gonna incorporate everything. Yeah, so just incorporate everything together, and that's literally your dressing. You can always put your dressing on your salad, but because I am going to make my jerk chicken breast kebab, I am gonna wait until I'm almost done to put my dressing on my salad. So I'm just gonna give you guys a close-up look. This is just literally the dressing, and you could put a little bit of black pepper, but no black pepper to this today. Okay, so that's literally the dressing that we're making. It's very simple and nice. So I'm just gonna cover it, and I'm gonna mix this up and show you guys. I'm gonna give you a close-up look, show you when I'm doing that. So guys, this is your mango salad, and you just incorporate everything. That's it. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty this is. Oh man, this is gonna be so delicious. Mango salad finito, finish. Mango salad done. Now we are gonna go to do our jerk chicken kebab. Yeah, so stay right there, guys. So guys, now I am gonna show you how I do my kebab chicken breast outside. Guys, you know what happened? The rain came down and wet up me here and everything, and I had to go inside, come back out. So let's just cook this quickly before the rain come and ruin my thing again. So guys, I'm gonna put everything in here now because I never wanted to really marinate with the chicken breast. So I'm gonna put the bell pepper in here, and I'm gonna just incorporate everything. And this is some plantain. Yeah, you know, Caribbean people love their plantain. Most people love plantain anyways, whether you fry it or whatever you may do with it. So I'm just gonna incorporate everything. Yeah, so the seasoning can go on the bell peppers and the plantain. Yeah, so make sure that everything get that jerk seasoning on it. I never wanted it to marinate. 'Cause you know, vegetable they take seasoning quite quickly. Yeah. Now I'm going to put my chicken on the skewers, and guys, this is a bamboo skewers, bamboo stick skewers, and you know, you have to soak it in water as well. So make sure you soak it in water if you buy the bamboo stick skewers. So just put your chicken breast, bell pepper, and plantain on like this, like I'm doing. Just put the skewers through it like so. Yeah, just like that, guys. Yes, I'm using my hands because I love to use these hands when, well, I don't like gloves, you know, because you know there's a lot of bacteria and things in our gloves, you know. Yeah, put it under a microscope and you see. So I'm just using my hands. Your hands are always better. Wash them, make them clean, and that's it. Yeah. So guys, just continue doing all of your skewers like this. Some red peppers. Okay, different colors on them. Put my jerk chicken. Yeah, man. Thing up. So I think I'm just gonna put one last chicken on this skewers because I don't want to overload it too much, you know. I really don't want to overload it. And I need to get a plate to put this on, so I'm gonna get a plate to put it on. I'll be right back. So guys, that's how you put your chicken on your skewers. I'm just gonna put it over here until I am finished and ready to put it in the smoker. We are just gonna continue the same procedure as you saw I did just now. Just put your chicken like so on your skewers. Put your bell pepper. Put your plantain, chicken. Guys, I just can't wait to finish this because I know it's going to be delicious. Just continue this procedure until you are finished. So that's how your skewers, your jerk chicken breast skewered. I'm gonna put it over here on the plate, and I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look when I am done. I'll give you guys a close-up look to show you how it looks. So guys, this is the chicken breast, jerk chicken breast kebab stick done. They're on the skewers, and I'm just giving you guys a close-up look to let you see how it look. Them look good though. Now I am just opening my smoker. Oh, it's getting very hot. And I'm just gonna put my skewers on it like so. Whoops. Should I put them the other way? Yeah, maybe I should put them this way. Yeah, I just put them like so. You have to be careful. Don't do me there. You gotta be careful to not burn yourself. Yeah, so let me put this over here. Uh-huh. Put on your chicken like that. Just put it on like that. And now I'm gonna close my smoker and I'm gonna leave it for about 15 minutes. Then I'll show you guys again. So guys, now I'm gonna woo, just turn your kebab stick like so. I'm turning them like so. And I will show you guys when I am all done. So guys, can you see that? Look how crispy and delicious that looks. Look at that. That looks so good. I'm just gonna close it on for another 10 minutes and then I'll be taking them out and I show you guys how it looks. Because remember, this is chicken breast and this cook quick. This don't take long to cook. So I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes and then it will be done. So guys, woo, that is smoking. Wow. So guys, that's my chicken breast done. It was smoking and that's what I love. So I'm gonna take them out now, plate them up. Let me see, can I hold it right here? Yeah, yeah, man. I'm taking them out. Let me use this. Yeah, the stick is not that hot, so I can take it out like so. Yeah, man. Wow. I wish you could smell this. This smell nice. Oh, one of my plantain came off. Wow. Yeah, man, put up my plantain and thing. So, and I'm gonna make the jerk sauce because we are gonna eat this with flatbread, you know. Yeah, man, eat this with some nice flatbread, some homemade flatbread that I just made. Me close it down. So, guys, let me give you a close up look. Look at that. Look. Let me turn it this way. Look at that. Look how delicious that looks. Oh my god, that looks so delicious. So guys, I am done making my barbecue jerk chicken breast. You know the mango salad that I made. Here it is, and now I am just gonna put the dressing that I made over it. I told you guys I'm gonna wait until I'm gonna eat it. I put my dressing, so just put your dressing and just and incorporate everything like so, okay? Guys, after incorporating everything, I've got some flatbread over here. You know, the surface is a little bit small, so and I am gonna take one of my jerk chicken skewer, jerk chicken breast skewer, and I'm just gonna use my hand because my hands are clean to just take it off, and I'm putting it on my flatbread. These are homemade flatbread, and you can go and watch my video how I made the homemade flatbread. And I am just gonna let me just take off this bit. Let me just use this to help me take it off, yeah. And I'm just gonna take it off like so, yeah, and like so. So guys, just take off your chicken and the rest of stuff that you put on your skewer, yeah. So it might be a bit hard to come off, but it will come off. Alrighty, so just take off your chicken, your jerk chicken breast like so. Guys, can you see that? That look good, though. That look real good. So I'm just gonna put this aside and put that there. And we've got some jerk sauce over here that we're gonna put on it. So now we are going to put our mango salad on. So I'm just gonna take out some of the mango salad and I'm just gonna put it over it like that. Wow, guys, can you see that? That look, that look delish. That looks delish. Yeah. So put your mango salad over it like so. Yeah. Don't really need a lot. Just a little bit. Don't overpower it too much. And now I am gonna use this delicious jerk sauce that let me zoom it up for you guys. Yeah. I am gonna put some jerk sauce. Let me put a little bit more of, mango salad on there. And now we are going to put the jerk sauce. So this is just the jerk barbecue sauce that I bought at the shop, and I just put some honey in there and just warm it because this already have all the seasoning. So I'm just jizzing in my jerk. barbecue sauce. And guys, look at that. Look at that. That's the jerk chicken breast kebab style with homemade flatbread and mango salad. And you're basically just gonna wrap it and eat it, or just fold it and eat it. I'm just gonna put, few Q-tips in there just to keep it down. Yeah. Let me garnish it with the mango. Yeah, you see what I'm talking about? Yeah, man. You know, you have to make it thing look nice already. Yeah, so let's put some mango on there just to make the thing look nice. So guys, that is my jerk chicken breast done. That looks delicious. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. I hope you do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.